A young man likes to keep chickens as pets, but every time his pet chickens bought back, within a few days will be strangely dead, and the death is very strange, almost drained the last drop of blood and died, and it is difficult to find large wounds on all parts of the body. So the guy decided to install a surveillance camera next to the chicken coop, and soon after a few days finally found the culprit. The guy's family could not help but break out in a cold sweat when they viewed the security camera replay. It turns out that the cause of his pet chicken's death was a bat. Seeing this, you also seem to be in disbelief. You must have thought that bats suck blood only in the movies. You may want to look down. The following is the guy announced, installed in the chicken nest camera captured the entire process of bat blood sucking footage. It may cause you discomfort, so please watch with caution. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and pay attention.